Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'll be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And since today is Labor Day, I really wanted to do kind of like a end of summer kind of picnic spread, kind of the things that you would do on Labor Day. A lot of people have a 3-day weekend, so they pull out all the stops on having barbecues and picnics and things like that. So I went in my stash. This is my scrapbooking stash. These things are all from like 2001, 2002. But I have this berry patch cut apart sheet here. It has some super cute cut aparts. And then I have this little die cut sheet. It's called Picnic Stuff, and it's from Cockadoodle Designs. And then these are they're frame ups from me and my big ideas, or my mind's eye. So it has this checkered frame. This says summertime. It has the cute hamburger, a little snail. I don't know if I'll use that, but I have all this stuff. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using of it, but I think it all really works well together. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. is my final spread. I hope you like this. I really think it turned out super cute. I hope you guys all have a great Labor Day. Hopefully you're able to spend some time with family and friends, maybe on a picnic, maybe on a barbecue, whatever. Just enjoy your day, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.